Just did my first sub-Q NID, so Kelly came over and like showed me the dosing and stuff, which I'm so excited about. So now I can like give it to myself, and I'm gonna give myself a blow dry, and then I'm going to clean and organize my beauty room. I have to do this like once every few weeks because it gets actually insane in there. And I might let my hair air dry a little bit before too, not like blow dry it from soaking wet. We have a lot going on today. It's Monday. Today's Martin Luther King Jr. Day, so Cruz is off of school and she has one of her girlfriends over. We went to the hot tub this morning. I came home, took a shower, and now we are just chilling. Made breakfast and we're just gonna like hang out and enjoy the day. Okay, this is like my editing couch, but I'm gonna sit here and edit this video. We are going to clean and organize, but first I'm gonna sit here for a minute and drink my coffee and edit this video. So here's my kit. I just finished cleaning it out a little bit, getting it ready for this spring. And then here is a little thing of things that I have to take to the salon kit. So I have two kits that I keep stocked at all times. So I have my kit, which is this one, and then the one at the salon. And then now I'm just going through some PR and kind of like separating it. I'm probably gonna make some boxes for the girls because I have so much stuff right now. I'm about to start blow drying my hair. It's like probably 50% dry now. This is my Dyson Airwrap, so I'm gonna use this. But I wanted to show you guys like under my sink really quickly because this is where I keep like all of my hair stuff. I just have like these two bins from Target, but I have so much hair product in here. It's actually so funny, but I just put in Royal Blowout. What else did I do? I did like a volumizing. Oh, I did Maximista and then a serum through my ends. So I just did this one from Kerastase. All right, let me give you a little what's in my kit. I'm gonna show you this. Maybe I'll show you guys what's in here another time, but I think this is really interesting if you love makeup, love beauty, are wanting to be a makeup artist, or just are curious. So up here we have this Ella Louise body serum. These are all cream eyeshadows. These are mascaras, brow products. We have lip liners, eyeliners, stuff like that. And then here we have setting sprays. So we have MAC Fix Plus spray. We have the Charlotte Tilbury spray, One Size spray, Benefit Professional, and then we have some skin prep stuff. So we have a little alcohol, 2 eye creams, Rhode glazing fluid. This is Peach and Lily Glass Skin, which I love. And a little mini body butter for brides. Moving on, we have Augustina Spader, the Rich Cream and the regular cream, Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream, Tatcha Water Cream, Tatcha Eye Cream, and then we have Rhode Barrier Butter, Facial Radiance Pads by First Aid Beauty. Those are my favorite. Eye patches, Chanel Cream bronzers, both colors. And then here we just have a corrector palette. These are all NARS Soft Matte Concealers. And then these bottom 4 are the Charlotte Tilbury correctors. Then we have Makeup by Mario palettes, all 3 of them. Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes, eyebrow palette, lip palette, and then 2 MAC eyeshadow palettes, which I just make with my own favorite shadows. Okay, so back here we have my favorite Nude Sticks cream blushes. And then we have concealers. So we have every shade of the Clé de Peau concealer. And then I also have MAC Pro Longwear concealer. This is one of my favorite concealers for brides. And then we have these Westman Atelier highlights, 2 back here. This is like more skin prep stuff. So the Say Dewy, or what are these called? The Say Star Glows, 2 colors and 2 more like bronzy shades in the nude sticks. Okay, these Armani Fluid Sheers are one of my favorite products to use. So I like mix them in with foundation. I will like use them on its own as blush, as highlighter. They're my favorite. So I have every color of those. And I keep them upside down so that we can grab the shade really easily when we're doing makeup. And then Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter, which might be replaced with the Dior soon, but I do love this. And then we have 4 shades of MAC Face and Body. This is just such a great foundation to like keep in your kit if you're a makeup artist, you know. And then these are all Giorgio Armani Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk foundations, and then they're just labeled with the color. And then some are primers too. So this is an Hourglass primer, and then this is like the Rare Beauty primer. So yeah, a little sneak peek to what's in this kit. This is my all-time favorite Sunless Tanning Cream. I've gone through so many. This one's in Rosewood. I think this is my favorite one. I just finished up the whole one of, I think it was like the sculpting one. I didn't really feel a difference, but I love this tanning cream, so I'm gonna throw like a good layer of this on for the week. Okay, this is what I'm eating for lunch, which is normally what I eat, but it's just rice, green beans, and then I've been doing ground beef instead of ground turkey with onions, and then I'm having a poppy with it. And I'm just gonna sit on my computer, do some work. The girls are watching a movie, and then we'll probably go do something. We went to dinner in Chucky last night, and we stopped by this chocolate shop, and we got a bunch of stuff. And now I'm sitting here eating all this chocolate. It's so good. These chocolate covered potato chips, actually fire. I'm about to cook these steaks for the week, and I got this new olive oil, which I've been loving, and I cut up like a whole white onion, and then I put it in olive oil, salt, and pepper, so I'm gonna add that into my meal prep for the week. Alright, so I'm just gonna cut up some lettuce. I'm gonna do a lot. Okay, here's what the salad's looking like. So we have carrots, hearts of palm, radishes, olives, garbanzo beans, red onion. Finishing up with some cucumbers. I literally have to just like prep so much food for the next 3 days because I start work tomorrow and I work 3 super long days in the salon. So I always just make like quick meals that we can just like grab and go. And I'm trying to do a lot more whole foods, so not as many like bars and stuff. Salad at the beginning of the week, which you guys probably saw in my last vlog if you watched it, that I just do like a big salad and we can like make fresh protein to throw on top. And then I always will top it off with some sunflower seeds or pumpkin seeds. This is my outfit. This is a tank top from TWP. This blazer is Aritzia. These jeans are Girlfriend, and then I'm just wearing these loafers from Zara. It's Thursday, and I don't even know what happened the last 2 days. I worked, and that's the problem, is I think that when I work, I just like, I'm in the zone, and there's really like no, like, it's hard because I'm like filming and I'm trying to like film for TikTok and film for the salon and all the things, but it's Thursday. I just dropped Cruz off at school. I have a little bit of a late morning this morning. My skin's so bad, so my dermatologist called in a little antibiotic for me, and I'm gonna switch to like a different acne topical at nighttime. And then I am going to work this morning. It is a crazy day, of course. And then yeah, just a nice little Thursday. Okay, it's Friday. No, it's not. It's Saturday. I literally have not vlogged all freaking week, but we're making breakfast right now. And I've just been up doing a bunch of stuff that I didn't get done this week. I'm gonna film a clothing haul / try on. I have like some stuff from Free People that they sent over, and then some Aritzia stuff that I ordered because I'm trying to find an outfit for our photo shoot that we have on Monday. Some bacon cooking in the air fryer, and then we're making our favorite bagel breakfast sandwiches that we make every single morning. And then today we are just going to get some stuff done. This week was absolutely insane, which is why you guys didn't see any footage pretty much from the entire week. I look absolutely crazy. But yes, feels good. Cruz and I just like got up, took showers, made coffee. We've just been hanging. Okay, we're gonna head out to Target. It's like, what time is it? 12:15, so little comfy outfit. I'm just wearing Skims joggers. This tee is from Aritzia, and then Aritzia slouch coat. Got my water, and we might go get like a London Fog or something before we go. I'm from Target, and here's what we got. Just a bunch of random stuff, but This is the scent that we like for our clothes.
Can I do my stuff too?
Yeah, this is the scent that we like for like sheets and towels. We got hand soap and dish soap. I got some pens. We needed replacements for our toothbrush, and then we needed toothpaste, just some mints. TheraBreath, this is my favorite one, the pink one. Floss for my car, mini trash bags for the bathroom. I'm really into tea right now, so I got some new teas. I got Earl Grey, vanilla, and then cherry blossom. Another seed probiotic, love this. And then my auntie told me about these eye drops because she has really dry eyes, so I wanted to try these. I use the, what's it called? Oh my god, what is the whitening eye drops called? I cannot think of them, but I use those every day. And I need like some hydrating ones. So I got this. I got a new notepad. We needed some sugar, so I got sugar. Cruz picked out some popcorn, printer paper, and then parchment paper. And we just stopped at Trader Joe's on the way home quickly because we wanted to do like a charcuterie board for lunch. So we wanted to pick up some cheeses, but we got Mexican style cheese. We use this cheese every weekend on our bagels. It's delicious. So we got some mozzarella, unexpected cheddar. This is my favorite cheese at Trader Joe's. It is the most delicious ever. And then I got this one. This is the goat milk herb one. Parmesan, tomatoes, because I went grocery shopping yesterday while Cruz was at volleyball. And I went to Sprouts, which I haven't been to Sprouts in so long. They had so many good things, but they didn't have like any bigger tomatoes. And Cruz got this. This is the vegetable roll. Okay, we made a girl lunch, of course, every day. So we have pickles, green grapes. Remember, we have to be careful with Crummy with these.
Yeah.
Crackers, pretzels, blue cheese olives, and garlic stuffed olives. Cheddar cheese, radishes, pepperoni. And then I just made a tuna with salt and pepper. And Chrissy has a newborn. Tell me if you guys do this too. If you're doing laundry, I like pour it in here and then I throw the whole entire lid in, and then the lid comes out clean. And I just put it back on her.